Hello friends, good morning.
Hello friends, good morning.
Hello friends, good morning. Hope you all are well. Uh, Prior to this live video, there was some technical defect. That's why I am repeating the news. Friends, sorry for the inconvenience caused to you and for wasting your time. So let us begin. Friends, February 27 February 2025. Every day from between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I dictate the news, whatever there are news in the stocks throughout the day, so that you can track the news of your holdings of your portfolio, as well as if you are a trader, you can easily trade in the intraday. If the news is good, then in technical, if there is bullishness, you can buy it with certain stop losses, and if the news is bad, then keeping some stop loss, you can sell it if the technical is showing bearish. So friends, let us start without delay. The first stock today, friends, today Nifty is expected to open flat in the flat note. The first stock is State Bank of India. State Bank of India has reached a housing loan book of 8 trillion and aims to grow its mortgage book to rupees 10 trillion by March 2027. It is good news for the State Bank of India. According to its chairman C.S. Setty, the bank plans to leverage its home loan relationship to offer more financial products, including credit and liabilities to borrowers. SBI's housing credit portfolio has been growing by 12 to 14% annually, and at this pace, the loan book is expected to reach rupees 10 trillion by 2027. Very good news for the SBI. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Bharti Airtel. The telecom company confirmed bilateral discussion with Tata Group for a possible merger of their direct-to-home DTS segment. Bharti Telemedia and Tata Play, they are merging with each other. The companies are exploring a potential transactions to combine Tata Group's DTS business housed under Tata Play with Bharti Telemedia, a subsidiary of Airtel, in a structure acceptable to the parties. So this is very good news for the Bharti Airtel as well as the Tata Group as well. Next stock is Mankind Pharma. The company plans to launch its generic version of Novo Nordisk's blockbuster anti-obesity drug semaglutide, which goes off patent next year. The firm is focusing on specialty chronic therapies like immunotherapy, antibody drug conjugates, and gene therapy drugs, besides peptides like glucagon, like peptide 1, GLP-1. The prices of this class of drug are expected to come down significantly after patents expire. So this is the very good news for the Mankind Pharma. You can keep eye on it, friends. Next stock is Ultratech Cement. India's largest cement maker announced plans to enter the wires and cable business. So Ultratech Cement is going to enter into the wires and cable business as well, with the initial capital expenditure of 1800 crore over 2 years. Very good news for the Ultratech Cement as well as Aditya Group. Operations in this segment are expected to start by December 2026 with an aim to extend Ultratech's full footprint in the construction value chain and provide comprehensive solutions to its end customers. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that my videos, shorts and live sessions notification you get immediately whenever I upload it. Next stock is Nuvama Wealth Management. Asian private equity firm PAZ, backed by Blackstone, is considering a sale of its majority stake in the Nuvama Health Wealth Management with a strategic review underway. Nuvama shares have dropped about 19% this year, giving the company's market value of $2.3 billion. However, the stock has surged 114% since its listing in September 2023. Considerations are still preliminary, and PAZ may decide against a sell. So this is quite confusing deal. So it can be, if it is finalized, it will be in the news. I'll definitely dictating it, so you can keep eye on it. Nuvama Wealth Management. Next stock is Star Cement. The company has proposed to set up a 3,200 crore cement clinker and grinding plant in Assam. Very good news for its expansion and growth. A memorandum of understanding was signed between the state government and the company on the concluding day of the Advantage Assam Business Summit. This is very good news for the Star Cement. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Swiggy. After allocating 1.7 crore equity shares, last week food aggregator Swiggy has now allocated over 8.64 lakh equity shares under its employee stock option plan. The Finance and General Management Committee of its board approved the allotment of share, increasing the company's paid-up share capital, with Swiggy's share price closing at 354.30 per share. The total value of the newly allocated share is around 30 crore. So this is the news of Swiggy. Next stock is SpiceJet. SpiceJet reported a consolidated net profit. Very good news for the SpiceJet. 20.20 crore at the third quarter of the financial year 2025. In the second quarter, it had reported the loss of 458.20 crore. The airline successfully settled multiple disputes with aircraft and engine lessors over pending dues during this financial year, reducing outstanding claim from 1700 crore to 1233 crore, resulting in financial benefit of 467 crore. So that is very good news for the SpiceJet. Next stock is Maruti Suzuki India. Maruti Suzuki India announced the commencement of production at its new manufacturing facility in Kharkhoda, Haryana, with an annual production capacity of 250,000 units. This is Maruti Suzuki India Limited's fourth manufacturing facility, and the Kharkhoda facility's annual capacity could be expanded to 1 million units. So this is very good news for the Maruti Suzuki India. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Indigo, Interglobe Aviation. Domestic carrier Indigo announced it will induct 3 more Boeing 787-9 planes in its 787-9 planes in its fleet under a damp lease arrangement with North Atlantic Airways. Good news for the Interglobe Aviation for its expansion. This move is part of Indigo's preparation to launch flights to Europe from mid-summer this year. Currently, Indigo operates 2 wide-body Boeing 777 planes with wait leased from Turkish Airlines to Istanbul from Delhi and Mumbai. The first wide-body B787 is scheduled to start operations on the Delhi-Bangkok route from March 1, 2025. So this is the good news for the Indigo. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Tata Consultancy Service, TCS. TCS continued to remain under pressure, beating a new 8-month low of 3,624.90 intraday on Tuesday before closing at 3,631, down 1.19%. The stock price has declined 4% in the past 2 trading sessions on fears of slowing US economy. If US economy slows down, we know 65% of the IT revenue, Indian IT revenue, comes from US. If the US economy slows down, definitely that badly impacts the IT sector in India. We better know, friends. Since January 1st this year, after the company's December 2024 quarter results, the stock price of TCS has corrected 16%. Next stock is Zydus Life Sciences. The company introduced India's first flu protection quadrivalent influenza virus vaccine, Vaxi-Flu 4, offering seasonal protection against 4 new virus strains. The vaccine has been cleared by the Central Drug Laboratory and aims to address the public health challenge posed by seasonal influenza outbreaks. Very good news for the Zydus Life Science. Next stock is Blue Star. Driven by an exceptional summer season in 2024, Blue Star anticipates over 35% growth in sales this year. Very good news. Despite a higher base, the company targets 20 to 25% growth in FY26. Managing Director B. Thiagarajan said that the year started with around 57% growth in the summer season, continuing to grow in quarter second and quarter third. India's AC industry is projected to double by FY30. So this is very good news for the Blue Star. You can keep eye on it, friends. Next stock is Religare Enterprises. The company's board of directors is seeking approval from the Reserve Bank of India and shareholders to appoint 4 new additional directors. The board also recommends the removal of 2 directors from the subsidiary companies due to suboptimal business operations at MIC Insurance Wave Aggregator, leading to a write-off of its initial investment worth rupees 1.41 crore. So this is the news of Religare Enterprises. Next stock is Wipro. Wipro Ventures, the investment arm of Wipro, has received $200 million from its parent company in the 4th funding round to focus on new age companies. Good news for the Wipro. The fund will be used for the investment in generative, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, among other areas. To date, Wipro Ventures has invested in 37 companies across various sectors and put money into 10 funds in the US, Israel, and India. So this is very good news for the Wipro for its expansion and growth. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Ratan India. Electric motorcycle maker Revolt Motors expects its sales volume to nearly triple to export approximately 40,000 units in FY26. Very good news for the Ratan India. Driven by new product launches and strong demand, Chairperson Anjali Ratan said the company might consider raising its first round of investment once monthly sales reach approximately 5,000 units. Ratan India acquired Revolt in January 2023 and the company sold 7,928 units in FY24. Revolt unveiled its fifth model, the RV Village X, starting at 1.14 lakhs. Next stock is friends, Venus Remedies. The company is collaborating with UK-based Infex Therapeutics for the clinical development of a drug to reduce resistance to beta-lactam antibiotics like meropenem. Antimicrobial bial resistance is a significant global health challenge, and MBL inhibitors are critical as they prevent bacterial enzymes from the inactivating beta-lactam antibiotics. The drug Metrex is Infex Therapeutics broad-spectrum MBL inhibitor targeting gram-negative bacteria. So this is very good news for the Venom Remedies. You can keep eye on it. Friends, so this is the stock in news today. Every day between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I bring before you stock in news today. You can track your investments. You can do trading as well. Next stock is friends, Infosys. Infosys has launched an open source responsible artificial intelligence toolkit that aims to address risk and ethical concerns. This initiative forms a component of the Infosys Topaz Responsible AI Suite, aiming at enabling enterprises to innovate responsibly while mitigating risk associated with ethical AI adoption. This is good news for the Infosys, friends. Next stock is KPI Green Energy. KPI Green Energy announced that its parent company KP Group has signed MOU with the government of Madhya Pradesh for developing 1.8 gigawatt of renewable energy projects in the state. Very good news for the KPI Green for its expansion and growth. You can keep eye on it, friends. Next stock is Adani Green Energy. Adani Green Energy received the letter of award from the UP government, UP Power Corporation, for 1250 megawatt energy storage capacity from pumped hydro storage projects. So this is the good news for the Adani Green Energy. Next stock is Tatapower. Tatapower has signed a pivotal MOU at Advantage Assam 2.0 to further its commitment to renewable energy and sustainable development in the state. It will invest rupees 30,000 crore in developing renewable projects up to 5,000 megawatt in Assam. Very good news for the Tatapower for its expansion and growth. So friends, another news is of Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement's board approved the implementation of demerger scheme involving Kesoram Industry effective March 1st, 2025. Under the scheme, Ultratech Cement will issue one equity share of 10 each for every 52 equity shares of rupees 10 is held by Kesoram shareholder as per of the record date. Suppose, for example, if you have got 52 share of Kesoram Industry, you will get one share of Ultratech Cement. So this is the planning of Ultratech Cement, and this will be effective from March 1st, 2025. So friends, hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please like it and share it. As well as please subscribe the channel so that my video shorts and live session notification you will immediately get whenever I upload it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.